Okay children, continuing further with standard 6 maths lesson number 7 fractions, the last exercise to be solved, 7.6 on page 160 of your textbook. Moving on to question number 1 solved. Now children, here you can see there are some of the sums of addition and of subtraction, but with unequal denominators. Unequal denominators means unlike fractions where the denominators are not same, right? They are called unlike fractions. Now when you have unlike fractions, children, you are now very well known that when the when the denominators are not same, they are called unlike fractions. So here denominators are not same. So the very first step what you will do, you will take out an LCM, you will take out the LCM of the denominators. So here denominators are 3 and 7. So take out the LCM of denominators 3 and 7. 3 and 7 both are prime numbers. So 3 will be divided by 3 itself. So 1. 7 will be divided by itself. So 1. Now I am having 1 here. So LCM is solved. Multiply the prime factors we are getting here for LCM, that is 3 into 7, 21. Now this LCM will be our new denominator. So convert this old fractions into new with the same denominators. So old fraction is 2 upon 3. With 3, that is the denominator. Which number you will multiply to get 21? That is our new denominator, that is LCM. So I multiply 7 with 3 to get my answer 21. So numerator and denominator will be with the same number to be multiplied. So that 2 into 7, 14, 3 sevens are 21. So now we are having a new fraction with the denominator 21. Again take old LCM, 1 upon 7. Which number you will multiply to get our new denominator 21? 3. So 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Now you can see we have new fractions with the same denominator 21. In between we have addition function to solve. So 14 plus 3. Now when the denominators are same, again you know the rule, only add or subtract the numerators. So 14 plus 3 makes 17. So 17 upon 21 is the answer. B and E I had solved in the same way. Some of the sums I had given you as a practice so that you can be very well versed with the sums of unequal denominators or unlike fractions that you can solve by yourself. Okay, now coming on to H, that is of subtraction sum, 5 upon 6 and minus 1 upon 3. In between these two unequal fractions or unlike fractions, we have to perform subtraction. But as the denominators are not same, again go with the same procedure for LCM. So 6 comes in the table of 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3 as it is a prime number. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now convert this whole fraction into new fraction with the new denominator 6. So 6 1s are, see here already there is 6. So which number I will multiply to get my new denominator? 1. So 1 in the numerators. Whenever you multiply any of the number in the denominator, you have to multiply the same number in the numerator. So 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6. Here the next old fraction is 1 upon 3. I want the new denominator 6. So I will multiply 2 with 3 in the numerator as well as denominator. So 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Now you can check my new fractions here with the same denominator 6. In between we have to perform a subtraction. So when the denominators are same, only add or subtract the numerators. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 upon 6. Now children, be very careful. 3 upon 6 can be solved further into reduced form or simplest form. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Numerator and denominator are having the same common number 3, so I cut it out. So my answer is 1 upon 2. Hopefully this is clear to you. This is the same addition sum but with 3 unequal denominators or 3 unlike fractions. So same you will perform. When here we are taking 2, now here we have to take the 3 old fractions making the denominators same. That is our new LCM. That is our LCM will be the new denominator. Okay, now coming on to K. Mixed fraction means what? A whole number and a proper fraction. When I talk about proper fraction, that means numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. Whenever this kind of sum comes, every time compulsory you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how? Denominator will be multiplied with whole number plus numerator. So 1 3s are 3. Answer, first you have to take it out and then add the numerator. Plus 1 4 upon 3. Again denominator into whole number, that is 3 3s are 9. Plus add the numerator 2, that is 11 upon 3. Now the denominators are same. So add the numerator. 4 plus 11 is 15 upon 3. Again 3 and 15 can share the common table of 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Cut the numerator and denominator with a common number 3. Denominator 1 we never write, so your answer is 5 only. And the last is very easy, children. I am not going to explain because there are same denominators, so subtract only the numerator. So answer is 16 minus 7, 9 upon 5. But the thing is what? 9 and 5. 9 in the numerator is bigger compared to 5. So this improper fraction, this is called improper fraction, when numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller, have to be compulsorily converted into mixed fraction. How? When you divide 9 by 5, in the table of 5, 9 does not come. So take a smaller one, 5 is a 5, minus 9 minus 5, answer is 4. This denominator and this denominator always remains same. So keep 5 in the denominator, it remains always same, it cannot change. Remainder will go into the numerator and this portion will come into the whole number. These are the sums which I have given you as a part of your homework. Continuing with further sums. Okay children, continuing with 7.6, question number 2. Now there are word problem kind of sums. 2 and 3 are given. I go through the sum. Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 upon 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they bought? See, now Sarita bought ribbon 2 upon 5 meter and Lalita bought ribbon 3 upon 4 meter. Now what will be the total length of ribbon brought by both of them? So total means plus. So in between these two fractions we have to go with addition. So 2 upon 5, 3 upon 4. There are unequal denominators, there is unlike fractions. Take out LCM. LCM is 20. Multiply the whole fraction with the same numerator and denominator to get our new denominator 20. That is 4 upon 4. And here old fraction is 3 upon 4. So 5 upon 5 to get our new fractions with the same denominator 20. That is LCM is 20. So now the new fractions are 8 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. Add the numerators where denominator is same. So answer is 23 upon 20. This is an improper fraction where denominator is smaller and numerator is bigger. Convert into mixed fraction by dividing 23 by 20. So the answer is 1 3 upon 20. The same sum here, question number 3. Naina was given 1 upon 2 piece of cake and Najma was given 1 upon 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Again we have to find out the total amount of cake. Total means plus. So here they had given mixed fraction. So what you will do? Firstly convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3. The rest sum you know how to solve. At the end when you get an answer, please check if it is an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction, and if it is a proper fraction, try to solve out in the reduced form or simplest form if possible. Okay, coming on to question number 4, fill the boxes. The very first thing I want to tell you that B will be your homework to get it practiced. Number A. You can see a box is given first, then minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. See children, generally what happens when we have one number before equal to, this is blank given, right? This is the number what they are given in a question. After minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. So generally this is a answer. This is called an answer. Now this minus 5 upon 8, this whole fraction has to be transferred to with 1 upon 4. So this second fraction is with subtract subtraction sign, when it changes the direction and when it goes to the after equal to number, that sign will be changed from minus to plus. So 1 upon 4 is going to remain the same. This minus 5 upon 8, as it changes its direction from here, it goes after equal to, so minus will convert into plus. 5 plus 5 upon 8. Now the rest sum you know very well. Only this thing I have to explain to you. With the unequal denominators, unlike fractions, for the LCM. LCM is 8. That is our new denominator. Convert this both the old fractions into the new fractions with the same denominator. That is LCM 8. Answer is 2 plus 5, 7 upon 8. So now this 7 upon 8 is the answer. When we have to write, when we have the blank box given. So this is our answer, 7 upon 8. Please remember, in this kind of sum, one number is given before equal to, another is after equal to. So after equal to number will remain as it is. Before equal to number, if it is having minus sign, it goes with, it changes its direction and comes with after equal to fraction. Minus will convert into plus and plus will convert into minus. D is your homework. Now coming on to C. Now C is somewhat different, you can check it out here. 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now here the thing is what? 1 upon 2 and second fraction we have to find it out. So this is going to remain the same as it is. We are not supposed to change the direction of the fractions, because first fraction the denominator is smaller. You can check it out here. The first fraction denominator is bigger, so we have to change its direction. In C, the first fraction denominator is smaller, so we will not change the direction of it. The fraction is going to remain same. So 1 upon 2 minus sign is going to remain same. What we have to find is here, the blank box given is equal to then minus 6, right? If we have two fractions, then only we can find it out the answer. So now 2 and 6 both are unequal denominators, that is unlike fractions. Solve the LCM and the rest sum you know. In between these two fractions we have subtraction. So when you have the same fractions, same denominator fractions, subtract only the numerator, that is 3 minus 1 upon 6, that is 2 upon 6. But here the thing is what? The first fraction denominator is smaller, so it will not shift to the after equal to sign. So it will not change its sign also. This is plus, it is going to remain plus. Why? Because I am not having a minus sign here. That means 1 upon 2 is plus, positive fraction. And minus is already given in between these two. What we have to find here? So minus is going to remain same. And 1 upon 6 will come here. Right? Actually here 1 upon 6 had changed its direction. It is coming from after equal to before equal to. But here, as this fraction denominator is smaller, it is going to remain same. It has to be changed. Now the whole procedure you know. Question number 4.B is your homework. Check it out. Thank you.